Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome once again to the online session with the last lesson of Unit 11, Usage Glossary. And I repeat again, glossary means a set of words which have a slight confusion in their meanings. And in their spelling as well. From Unit 11, this is the last lesson. Open page 227 from your grammar and language workbook. We start from the pair of words then and then. Then introduces the second part of a comparison, and then means at that time. Then introduces the second part of a comparison, while then means at that time. Now the following are the example. I am taller than my friend. And example for then is we'll see you then. It means at that time. Second pair, there and there. When you shortcut, when you in a contracted form, when you say quickly there. So in speaking it would be listening to you is like same word. But actually the usage in the sentence, then you can judge that which one is there at the possessive form of they, and which one is there the contraction form of they are. So there is the possessive form of they, there, and there it means with they, comma, re, they is the contraction form of they are. So there is the contraction of they are. Look at the example. This is their home. This is their home. They are leaving on vacation. So they are living on vacation, like this is their home. Both are the same, but at the beginning is used the contraction form of they are. Now the second pair of that lesson is whose and whose. So it's kind of a same pronunciation. It will occur to your listening ability that you would say whose and whose. So whose without comma is who is a whose is the possessive form of who, and with comma is whose is the contraction of who is. So example would be like that. Whose strip sock is this? Whose. It means it's the form of who, whose strip, that to whom it belongs, this strip sock. And the second example with comma is who's knocking on the door. It means who is knocking on the door. So you should keep in your mind that whose, the difference between whose and whose. Now exercise 1 from your grammar workbook, page 227. Underline the word in parentheses that best completes each sentence. The example has been given in your book. I introduced myself to the twins and then we became friends. So now here see then, it means after that, and then we start from sentence 1. Jamil and Kwesi are twins whose family immigrated from Nigeria. So whose, it means the student that you are talking about, whose family, it means their family immigrated from Nigeria. Sentence number 2. They're both in my class, although I know Jamil better than Kwesi. Now there and they are. So we don't say, if it's in contraction form, we say there. They are both. And if without contract form, we say they are. But actually in English we can't separate words like this one. We have to join the word. They are both in my class, although I know Jamil better than Qureshi. But if you say like this one, they are both, you make, no, it's not the correct way. You have to link the words, they are both in my class. So it would be looking natural. Sentence number 3, Jamil likes to joke when he's older than Qureshi by 3 minutes. So it means those two brothers were twins. So Jamil likes to joke that he's older than Qureshi by 3 minutes. Older than, not then, because comparison. Now sentence number 4, when they play Who's Who, we have to be really quick to guess. Now Who's Who is the name of a game. Who is who? So when they play Who's Who, not Who's Who, we have to play really quick to guess. Sentence number 5, although their looks seem identical, there are small differences. So there are small differences. So although they're not the second one, the contraction one, but without contraction one. So although their looks seem identical, there are small differences. Sentence number 6, Jamil has slightly larger ears than his brother has. Jamil has slightly larger ears than his brother has. Sentence number 7, Qureshi is the one whose arms are longer. So Qureshi is the one whose arms are longer, not who is arm. In that case it is a contraction, so that's why we have to use whose. So Qureshi is the one whose arms are longer. Sentence number 8, if they look so much alike, then what we supposed to do? If they look so much alike, then what we are supposed to do? Sentence number 9, the boys agreed to wear their hair in different style. The boys agreed to wear their hair in different style. Now here, wearing hair means that they make hairstyle differently. So that's why for keeping your hair in different styles, we also use wearing hair. It's just like, you shouldn't be confused that wearing just like wearing like clothes or shirt or something, garments and dress. No, the boys agreed to wear their hair in different styles, that they keep their hairstyle in different position according to their choices. Sentence number 10, on some days they also dress differently. On some days they also dress differently. So they are, actually when you say they are, no, they are also dressed differently. Sentence number 11, both boys play sports and sometimes their coaches can't tell them apart. Both boys play sport and sometimes their coach can't tell them apart, because the coaches, they also have difficulties in recognizing them because of being twins. Sentence number 12, Qureshi plays soccer while Jamil is the one who's a terrific runner. Who's a terrific runner? No, we can't say like who is a terrific runner. No, we have to link to make it more natural, like English language. So Qureshi plays soccer while Jamil is the one who's a terrific runner. Terrific means is a wonderful runner. Is a good runner. Sentence number 13, Jamil runs faster than anyone else in our school. So Jamil runs faster than anyone else in our school. So comparison with other school fellows or classmates. And sentence number 14, you will never guess whose record he broke when he ran the 200-meter dash. So you will never guess whose record he broke when he ran the 200-meter dash. Homework, dear students, please complete the following page as your homework, which is related to the same topic, and the page is 228. And by this 228 page, we come to the conclusion of this unit 11. Hopefully you might have got the lesson being separating these words and knowing the differences between these words. Thank you very much and have a nice day.